To successfully download and install the Spectrum TV app on your Philips Smart TV, the first crucial step is to ensure compatibility and prepare your setup. Most Philips Smart TVs released since 2018 run Android TV and are fully compatible with the Spectrum TV app. You can verify your TV's operating system by navigating to Settings, About, Android TV version. If you have an older Philips model from before 2018 that uses a non-Android OS, you might need to look into firmware updates or consider alternative methods like casting from a mobile device. Before proceeding, make sure you have a valid Spectrum TV subscription, a stable internet connection with a minimum of 10 Mbps for HD streaming, and sufficient storage space on your TV, as the app typically requires 50 to 100 megabytes. Finally, power on your Philips Smart TV and ensure it's connected to your home's Wi-Fi network via Settings Network to allow access to the Google Play Store. Once your Philips Smart TV is compatible and connected to Wi-Fi, start by opening the Google Play Store app directly from your TV's home screen. In the Play Store, use the search function to look for Spectrum TV and select the official app developed by Charter Communications. Click Install and wait for the app to download and install, which should only take a moment. After installation, launch the Spectrum TV app and sign in using your existing Spectrum credentials. Follow any on-screen setup instructions to activate the app, granting access to live channels, on-demand content, and DVR features without a cable box. The latest versions support 4K streaming on select Philips models. If the app doesn't appear or you encounter issues, try clearing the cache in the Google Play Store settings or restart your Philips Smart TV.